Prototyping is a great way to improve the chances of success of your feature or your idea, and eventually the success of the product, because that's linked. So that is what there is to prototyping. You can create. I mean, so essentially we do a lot of paper prototyping, which means we'll draw a lot of a bunch of stuff on paper. We'll do a lot of whiteboarding. We'll draw a bunch of things on whiteboard, and a lot of our first level of analysis, the first level of prototypes are there on the whiteboard. Usually, after getting the first level of feedback, then we start translating into digital wireframes. And once the digital wireframes have gone through a few iterations of feedback with the stakeholders, as I mentioned, then we create high fidelity prototypes, which then kind of are open to the world, where we reach out to selective clients and get their feedback. And then once we are happy with whatever feedback we have gathered, then we start working on that kind of feature or that kind of product, so that the adoption is kind of ready, because we already can sensitize our clients about what is coming. We already know some of the feedback, so we have a very improved version of what they are going to be used. And so adoption is usually never a problem, because it just gets adopted immediately, because people are, by the time it goes to production, people are just waiting for it, right? And eventually we are able to then track the metrics and engagement, and then get into our build, measure, learn loop again with the product.